guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We love pizza in our house, and I've been trying to make more things at home and spend less money on takeout. So I was super excited to find these Norjac pizza baking screens. I love how easy they are to clean. They are hand wash only, but they are super simple to clean, and obviously they dry really quickly too. These are made from restaurant grade aluminum. And I also like that they're seamless, so your pizza is not gonna get stuck when you're trying to slide it off to cut it. I used this for my usual frozen pizza that I always put right on the rack, which I hate doing because then I have to clean my oven more often. But since having this, I love so much how much easier it is to cook a frozen pizza. I really like the seamless and mesh design because it gives really good ventilation when you're cooking the pizza, and it cooks it evenly, so you are not going to end up with a soggy middle or a super crunchy outside. If you really like to make pizza at home like we do, whether it's frozen or from scratch, these are absolutely a must-have. And that's my point of view.